Name of the show, Young Sheldon. It's an American TV series. Context of the scene is Paige is having a night stay with Sheldon and Missy, who are siblings. Both Missy and Paige tease Sheldon for not behaving like a 10-year-old. This worries Sheldon a lot.
I'm trying to sleep.
Come inside and play with us.
Don't invite him. This is a girl's fort, not an old man fort. I'm not an old man.
Then come inside.
Are you crazy? It's bedtime. Old man.
I read that adults who had a stunted childhood often become social misfits and weirdos.
You didn't read that. You're making it up, like your goat story.
Psychology magazine, February issue, 1988.
Well, we know how this story ends. I grew up to become a well-adjusted and charming fellow. But at that moment in time, she had me worried.
There are two nice phrases used in this conversation. The first one is make it up. इसका मतलब है अपनी तरफ से झूठी बात बनाना जिसका कोई एविडेंस या कोई ट्रुथ ना हो. For example, she always makes up a story to save herself whenever the teacher asks her the reason for not doing her homework. The second one is had me worried. मतलब चिंता में डाल देना. For example, what? The exam question papers are leaked? Gosh, you have me worried. Watch the scene again as now you know the meaning and use of these phrases. Use these phrases over and over in your daily conversation and soon these will be on your lips. So this is a great way to learn English naturally, isn't it? Please subscribe and share for inspiring me. Thank you so much.